ready to unlock a whole new level of Solana community engagement. First, make sure you've already started a chat with the Gmgn Bot on Telegram. If you haven't, search for the bot at Gmgn_bot and start a conversation by tapping start. Next, look for the Connect Wallet prompt or message. This will most likely be on the home page. If you cannot find it, type Connect in the message box and click Send. Phantom Wallet will pop up, asking you to connect to the Gmgn Bot. Review the bot's access request carefully, paying attention to what permissions it's requesting. If you're comfortable with the permissions, tap the Connect button. This authorizes the Gmgn Bot to interact with your Phantom Wallet. The Gmgn Bot will now confirm that your wallet has been successfully connected. You should see a message indicating your Phantom Wallet address is now linked. You're all set. Now you can start participating in community-driven campaigns, earn tokens, and enjoy everything the Gmgn Bot has to offer with your Phantom Wallet securely connected. Tap on any of the prompts to begin.